In this video, you'll learn how to create a hanging indent in Google Docs and keep your text neat and aligned. Google Docs gives you two ways to do this, one using the indentation options and the other using the ruler method. Method 1, Indentation Options. Start by selecting your text. Press Ctrl+A or Command+A to apply the indent to the full paragraph. Go to Format, hover over Align and Indent, and click Indentation Options. Choose Hanging under Special Indent. The value box will appear empty, so manually enter 0.5 inches, or any indent you prefer, then click Apply. This sets the indent, and new list items will follow the same format. This method gives you an exact indent value, and is the most reliable for academic or professional formatting. Cleaner alignment comes from the ruler method. Here's how to do it. If the ruler is hidden, go to View and click Show Ruler. This turns on the ruler. It lets you manually move the paragraph markers so you can see the indent change in real time. Select your text. On the ruler, drag the left indent, blue triangle, to 0.5 inches, and the first line indent, blue rectangle, back to 0 inches. This creates the hanging indent. This method is faster for quick formatting and gives you immediate visual feedback. That's how to create a clean hanging indent in Google Docs. Like this video and subscribe for more quick and useful tutorials.